The first entry in the Manager Functions menu is Sales Functions. Selecting on this, I have a number of different entries that all pertain to sales. The first one here is Day View Reports. Now within this, there will be a couple of reports that are made available to you here, and these will just give sales information pertaining to how the establishment is done for today. You can select on either one of these, and they will print on the local printer. The next one is View Current Sales. This will take similar type information but present it up on the screen. And within this, you'll see over the left-hand side, we have information pertaining to sales, information pertaining to employees, and also information pertaining to refunds and discounts and so on. The next one is Day Print Sales. This will actually generate a report on the local printer as well that gives a good solid information as far as how sales have been for the current day. And then Day Finish Sales. Now this is a very important button to take note of. This is the function that runs the end of day. So in selecting this, what it will then do is check to make sure that everyone is cashed out and everyone is clocked out, with the exception of the person who's running it, of course. And then what it will do is do a cash out and a clock out for you as the person who's running the end of day. And then at that point, it will put the entire system into a shutdown mode. It will generate the end of day report, and then all screens will be set so that you can do a Windows shutdown from each one of them. And then finally we have tender balancing. Now tender balancing is basically like a cash reconciliation. Now there's two ways you can do it within PixelPoint. One is part of the cash out, the employee cash out, so that when they run their cash out, they will come up with the tender balance screen and they can enter in, for example, what they had in cash and Visas and MasterCards and so on. And it will balance that out with the system. However, you can also do this as part of a management function where the manager will do this rather than the individual employees, and this will be for the entire establishment for the day and incorporate it into the end of day report as well. And then finally we have Help, and by selecting on the Help button, then the system will come up with online help, in which case then you can get further information on any one of these functions.